Mukbang Mermaid. Mukbang Mermaid.
I am Mukbang Mermaid, and I mukbang that way. Bubbles! Bubbles! How's everyone doing today? I'm fine, feeling good, as I should. I didn't take those car keys, I told you that! I don't know how they got in the fireplace! Now go to work and then stop mumbling under your breath! Bubbles. Hopefully he's not catching on to me. I got the car keys again today because I thought he was going to work. I didn't know that he was still in the shower. So what I was trying to do was I was trying to put the keys under that thing that sits on the toilet. And next thing I know, he opens the curtain and I'm like, ah! And he's like, oh! And I hightailed it out of there. He doesn't know what I was doing. Luckily, he didn't see the keys in my fins. I don't think. Anyway, he's gone to work now. Yeah, I just heard the door close. And this was in his lunch bag. I don't know where he got this from, but he sure didn't tell me about it. So that's why I took it out. I put another potato in his lunch bag. I'm sure it'll suffice. Anywho, Bubbles, this looks delicious. I've never had this. It's some sort of a potato. Have you ever had it? I haven't. Let's take a look. It looks good. Like I say, I don't know where he got it and why he didn't tell me he had food. Anywho, I'll worry about that later. Let's go ahead, Bubbles, if you would, and put your fins, paws, hands, nubs, whatever you got, put them together. Dear God, it is I, Mukbang Mermaid, your best friend, till the end. God, I just want to thank you today for leaving Abner's lunchbox out. I took his food without a doubt. God, please forgive me. I hope it's not stealing. But anytime I see food, God, I get a good feeling. Get a good feeling. Yeah, because I'm happy. Sorry, God. Anywho, this potato looks delish. I think for dinner, I may tell him to bring me home some fish. I know he's gonna ask for a kiss. And when he moves in close, I'ma turn my head so he can miss. I'm sorry, God. God, I love you so much, and I want to thank you right now for everything you've done. You even gave your only son. I know life is what you make it, and I'm gonna make mine fun. Well, God, I'm gonna end this prayer, and I'm gonna make a run. Well, I can't run. Okay, God, I'm done. Amen. Bubbles, this looks delicious. Alrighty, we've said our prayers and we said our grace. Let's put this food in its place. I don't know where to start. And what is this stuff on it? It doesn't look quite like sour cream, Bubbles. Let me get some of my salt water. Anyone got any idea what the white stuff is? Let me give you a close-up, Bubs. Come on. Stuff's sticky. All right, let's get it. Ah! No wonder Abner didn't tell me about this. It's out of this world fantastic. This is like some sort of a sweet tater. I've never had. Look at that. What the heck? Oh, that thing just fell off the cob. Look at that, Bubbles. Pardon me. It's got like a sweet caramel glaze on it. And those are definitely marshmallows. Oh my word. Bubs. Look at this. Look at the pull on that. And that ain't no cheese either. I've never had a potato like this, but I've got to get it more often. Oh, give me that. Oh my word. I have never had a tater this good. I mean, there was that one time that I had that baked potato. Hey, my bubbles, what do you put on your baked potato? I'm going to be using some butter, sour cream, salt, and pepper. First thing I'm going to do is just break into my potato. I've got a little sour cream on there, fork, but it's okay. Come on. And just open it up. Oh, doesn't that look delicious, guys? Just open it up. Okay. Alright, now let's add our butter. And what you want to do is just kind of melt your butter in there, guys. Okay? Let's add our sour cream. Let's get some salt and pepper, just a little bit. You don't want to overdo it. Sometimes I've got a heavy skin, so just a little bit of pepper. Alright guys, and there we have it, our baked potato. But it is nothing compared to this. Ah, pardon me, Bubs. Bubbles, how do you prepare your sweet potato? Oh my word, this tater is driving me crazy, baby. Oh, and it's so soft and mushy. That is so good. It's amazing how it can be the same vegetable, but it can taste so different. That's good. Bubbles! Isn't this something that they make on Thanksgiving? Are sweet taters like a savory or a sweet? Oh, that's so good. Bubbles, you gotta try this. Sweet tater with the marshmallows. That is so good. What have you been up to? Anything new going on in your world? How's the job? So good. Is it just me, Bubs, or when you start getting into something good, you just can't even talk? subscribe. Hit that notification bell for all new updates. Leave me a comment down below. Share. I love you so much. And don't ever forget, nothing is impossible. Go after your dreams. Now let's get back to the show. Now, Bubbles, tell me, do you eat the skin of the tater? Because I think that's exactly what I'm going to do. Pardon me. I'm just going to roll it up like a burrito. I mean, get it all in there. Mama always said, clean your clamshells. So, I'm about to clean my plate. Sorry about that. Now for this delicacy. Whoa. Oh, that skin is scraping the walls. Almost like when I ate that foil ring off of the cheese Danish. Ooh. A little rough going down. But it was worth it. Oh boy. That was tentacle tantalizing good. Well, my friends, I do hope and pray that you have a wonderful day. I want to thank you for joining me at the other end of the table. I couldn't do it without you. Too often I'm here by myself as Abner walks, but I know that I've always got you. I love you so much. You're my best friend till the end. You love me for me, and I love you for you. This is a no judgment zone where you're free to be yourself and never alone. Well, Bubbles, I love you. I'm gonna go look in the fridge, see if there's anything that I can eat and get a good binge. I love you so much, okay? Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I love you, my Bubble. Bye. So you wanna hide too now, huh, Abner? Alright, you wanna hide? We can hide, food. I got something for you, buddy.
Mukbang Mermaid. Mukbang Mermaid.